How do you remove dynamic gold iron shafts? If you have dynamic gold iron shafts and need to remove them, you are in the right place. This process may seem tricky, but with the right steps, you can do it safely and effectively. First, you will want to secure the iron club in a vise. This will hold it steady while you work. Make sure the club is positioned so that you can easily access the hosel, which is the part of the club head where the shaft is inserted. Next, you will need a heat source. A propane torch or a heat gun works well for this task. The goal is to apply heat to the hosel area. You should keep the heat moving around the hosel to avoid any discoloration or damage to the club head. Heating for about 20 seconds is usually enough to soften the epoxy glue that bonds the shaft to the club head. Once you have heated the hosel, it is time to remove the shaft. Put on heavy-duty gloves to protect your hands. Carefully twist and pull the shaft out of the club head. If it does not come out easily, do not force it. Simply reapply heat as needed and try again. After you have successfully removed the shaft, you will want to clean off any remaining epoxy from the hosel and the shaft tip. You can use a wire brush or sandpaper for this task. This will make it easier for you when you want to install a new shaft later. If you plan to reuse the ferrule, which is the plastic ring at the top of the hosel, you may need to sand or carefully cut it off for removal. This step is important if you want to keep your club looking sharp. Before installing a new shaft, take a moment to inspect the shaft tip for any damage. Also, ensure that the inside of the hosel is clean and clear of debris. This will help ensure a proper fit when you install the new shaft. When you are ready to reshaft, make sure to measure and sand the shaft tip to the correct diameter. This is essential for a good fit and optimal performance. By following these steps, you can remove dynamic gold iron shafts effectively. This method aligns with standard practices in golf equipment maintenance, allowing you to replace or upgrade your shafts with ease.